Hey guys, we've got some great news. Great news. The Beamer is back. That's right, guys. Let me show you something. I've got today. I picked up from the dealer. The key. I got a new key out of Germany. And this car now, I can unlock the car and I can drive my Beamer. I can drive the Beamer. Let's have a look here, guys. Look at this. She's back. And I got to tell you, it's really nice to have my car back. Really nice to have it back. So the Beamer is back. So yes, I am really happy to have my Beamer back. The BMW is back. It's back. I'll have to give this car a bit of I want to give it a clean, just to clean it, you know, any of those burglar germs on my Beamer. Let's go and have a look here. Look at this. The Beamer is back. I got the key and I can go for a drive in the BMW. The BMW. Let's go for a little drive. Let's start this baby. And we'll go for a drive. I got my Beamer back. Let's have a look at this here. Beamer back. And there we go. The Beamer. We're back. There we go. Look at that, guys. The Beamer is back. Hi guys, it's ArchieLuxury, and today guys I want to show you a wonderful Instagram channel. That's right, an Instagram channel who's also a great fan of ArchieLuxury. father.time.luxury.watches. father.time.luxury.watches. This guy here combines photography with beautiful watches. Have a look here. Look at this. Very nice display of watches, and just in a great, look at this, his food with watches, his coffee with watches, just great photos, great watches, and a great lifestyle. Look at this beautiful cigar, and you can click on any of these pictures here inside Instagram and see the lifestyle. Look at this. What a wonderful way to enjoy a cigar. So there you go, guys. Check out father.time.luxury.watches. Father Time Luxury Watches. Check it out, guys. You will love it. So, guys, I finally got my BMW back. I got it back. And I got to say, the guys at Westside BMW, they really helped me get my car back there. So I am really happy to have it back. It's good to go out for a drive. It's nice to be behind the wheel. It's, you know, I mean, this doesn't make up for the burglary, but it's one of the things that I really got a lot of joy of is driving my nice car. And you know, it's not the most expensive car. There's better cars, but to me, this is a beautiful car. I love this little 3 Series BMW, and I'm happy to have it back. I'm really happy to have it back. I'm happy to be able to drive it. I'm happy to go for a walk with it. It's been it's nice to have it back. So there you go, guys. Finally, I got my car back. And, you know, just a little bit of joy. One little bit of joy in so much misery in the last couple of weeks. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury here. And one good positive thing for today was I got the keys to my BMW back. That's correct. Well, they're not the original keys. These are replacement keys. Magic touch. And voila, we're in. So yes, that's the way it works. So I'm
I'm able to drive my beautiful car again, which is, you know, it may sound silly. I mean, it's a leased car, but it really does make me happy to have my car back. I really like to have my car back, and I like to be able to drive it. So it's one little thing that is on the road to recovery for myself there. Look, this may not be the most expensive car, it may not be the greatest car, but to me this is a beautiful, I love everything about my 3 Series car. So it's this is the way it is. So yeah, I'm really happy to have it back. Yeah, I can at least drive my car. So I got to be honest with you, it's a great relief to have it back. I really do love having my car, and it is good to have it back. So it's just one little thing that, you know, you can improve the sad situation that I have of the robbery itself there. So yeah, it's very cool to have the car back. Hey guys, here we go. Just gone for a walk, and look at this. I'm coming back to my beautiful BMW, and I got to tell you, you know what? This car does make me really happy. Nice 3 Series BMW, beautiful car. I love it. It's really good to have my Beamer back. It's good to have my Beamer back. So there we go, guys. Reunited with the Beamer. Come on. Here we go, guys. There you go.
Hi guys, it's ArchieLuxury. Guys, I want to talk to you about David SW. David SW. Guys, if you are in America, if you are looking for a Rolex watch of your dreams, in fact, if you're looking for a contemporary modern wristwatch, I strongly advise you to look at David SW. Guys, don't play the dealer games. Don't bring in chocolates or Krispy Kremes for your dealer hoping to get a Rolex at retail. It's futile. Please, guys, save your dignity. Keep some pride. Go to David SW. I would highly recommend David SW. If you're in America and you're looking for a watch, go to David SW. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on the YouTube sensation, the Paul Pluta channel. Guys, I need you to help me out, guys. I can't survive on Google Ads alone. I need you to request a paid review. $50 US, look down in the description. $50 US, I will review your collection. I'll tell you what I think of it, and I'll give you some pointers. The other thing is, guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay a couple bucks a month, $1, $2, $5, whatever you want, and it keeps me going on YouTube because, guys, I'm in a niche. Nobody can make money out of the views I get. The views are crap because it's a small specialized area, and I don't talk about garbage for the sake of views. Guys, sponsor me on Patreon, look down below, and I will see you in the next one.